Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Rajati from We All Learn Today. This video I'm going to show you how to use the guide layer. So for that I just draw oval shape in the first layer. Just rename it as ball and I'm going to insert the guide layer. Add motion guide. Just click the second icon and in the second frame I'm going to decide the path. So just draw the path here and then in the 50th frame I just give the insert keyframe for both layer. So in the ball, when it comes to the 50th layer, I just move this to here and just right click it, give create motion. That's it. So when it's go to the running window, this drawing line path won't apply. Okay, just see the output. So we can use this to anywhere else. So this is the some example. I just draw this bat and this structure in the another layer. So I will explain. So the first layer is the full structure I just draw. The second layer is ball. This is the guide layer. This is won't appear. And the third one is bat. So this is some example and this is the other example. So that's it.